When we say you should reject modern excess and you should live like a primal human being, we're not saying you should reject technology. We're not saying you should live like a caveman. We're not saying you shouldn't use modern devices because, of course, it makes life easy for us. But we are saying you should be intentional about your use. Do not reject your primal human nature. We are saying you should not let your innate desires be replaced by modern devices. You need to get this mission right. We are not saying you shouldn't use modern devices because it makes life easy for us, and who doesn't want an easy life? Of course, we all want our life to be easy because the camera I'm using to record this video now is a modern device, and without using this modern device, you might not be able to see me. So it's beautiful to use these modern devices. Don't get it wrong, but be intentional about your use. Don't replace your primal desires with modern devices. Still go out there and approach people. Still go out there and meet a partner and make an offspring. Still go out there and continue your bloodline. But don't replace meeting a partner with using dating apps. Do you now see where I'm going to? Do not replace eating natural, single, whole ingredient foods. Do not replace it with consuming junk food. You see? Still go out there and read. Still go out there and work. Still go out there and make meaningful relationship with people. Still go out there and make social interactions with people. Don't limit yourself to social media. Do you now see? Still go out there and level up in real life. Still go out there and build yourself, build a craft. Don't limit it to building up your status on video games. Still go out there and see nature. See natural things around you. Take a walk and enjoy the beautiful view of nature. Don't limit it to watching Netflix all day. Still go out there and talk to people in real life. Don't limit it to chit-chat on social media. Go out there and see people. Don't limit it to liking people's posts on social media. Do you now see? We are not saying you shouldn't use these devices. It's beautiful to use them, but be intentional. Don't let this modern technology replace your primal instinct, human desires that you were born with. Take a step back from artificial enjoyment and enjoy wholesome real-life events. Go out there, speak to people, approach people, build relationships, spend time with loved ones, take a walk, read, meditate, journal, do natural, real things. Don't limit it to devices, technology all the time so that you can be fulfilled. Sometimes when you take a step back from these modern devices, then you realize who you are exactly. You are able to be in your thoughts, in presence, in mindfulness. And this is how you can discover yourself. This is how you can enjoy the beauty of your existence away from screens. So the mission here is not to neglect or reject modern technology. Use it for things that makes your life easy, but don't let it replace your human nature, the way you were built. That's our mission statement. Reject modern excess and create a human balance. Be primal, and I'll see you in the next one.